Hey, what's up? This is eTechMaster22. So today it's finally the upgrade video for my iMac G4. So first of all, I thought that if I'm going to upgrade the hard drive, it's to make it faster and faster to run the latest operating system. So I'm going to install OS X Leopard on this iMac G4. So here we have the thermal paste. Here we have the toolkit. Here I have a USB to install OS X Leopard, and I have a regular hard drive here. And there's my iMac G4 ready to upgrade. So I'm gonna shut that down. There we go. Alright, let's open it. So now let's open it. So there we go. So I need to remove this metal shield. So now I have to remove this so we can disconnect the Molex power cable. There we go. Something is preventing me. Okay, anyway, here's the hard drive. Let's try replacing it. So there is the paper there. And actually, it's very similar drive. Don't know if you can see. Anyway, I'm going to remove the hard drive so I can show it to you. So there you have it. Here's the 160 GB hard drive. It's very similar, except the Apple branding logo there. There's 80 gigabytes. So I'm gonna plug the cable in. And there we go. Okay. 2 more screws. There we go. Now I'm going to put the paper here. I honestly have no idea what is it for. There we go. It's not perfect, but it's okay, I guess. So the cable is plugged in. So I guess we can put this back. Oh, there we go. There's the cable. It's stuck underneath. Can I get it? It seems like no. There we go. So let's put the metal shield back. So there we go. Everything's plugged in, I hope. So I'm gonna try that out. Have this little port installed, USB. So I'm gonna plug that in. Can't do this right now. We're gonna test that out if it says the hard drive fine. So keep you updated. So I'm gonna boot it up and hold the Option key. So 3, 2, 1. So it works. Holding the Option key. The hard drive is spinning. I think I can release it now. Okay, probably you can see. Can you see the Apple logo? Yeah. So it's booting from the USB key. I'll keep you updated. So it says the hard drive just fine. So I guess I'm going to close it. But I must put the thermal paste in. I'm gonna clean it first. So I managed to remove all the thermal paste. So I'm gonna just try to close it to make sure it will fit. Wait a second. Yes, it fit. So all I gotta do is open it. Prepare the screw. Here's the thermal paste. So I'm ready to put the new paste. It's not super nice thermal paste, it's just some basic one. So let's close it quickly before the paste dries out. There we go. Now I'm gonna screw that in. Finally, it's done. Now, all I gotta do is put the cover. There we go. Okay, so we'll test that out. Let's power that on. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait. Doesn't power on. Oh, that's because the adapter has been disconnected, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it works. It was the adapter that was disconnected. Okay. It's powered done. Okay. Let's boot it up from the USB. So yes, it says all, both the hard drive, the optical drive, just fine. Let's see if it opens. Yeah, you hear that? It works. Okay. And one last thing. Yeah, 1.5 gigabyte of RAM. Okay. Everything's fine. And it seems like the internet works too. So I'm gonna enter my network password. If it can connect to the internet, it means all the airport card works. Okay. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this, remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I will not install OS X Leopard in this video because I already made a video about that. So yeah, thanks for watching.